somewhere during the development process, the information didn't get shared with the marketing department, because the marketing materials for the DR-Z4S, I don't know about the SM, but for the 4S it says that it has quick, easy access to the airbox. Basically it says they retained the tool-free access. But it is clearly not the case. So the first thing we need to do is pull off the seat bolt. That lets you get the side panel off. But that's not the only bolt you need to take off to get the side panel off. The first thing you also need to do is pull off the little black cover here, which is operated with the ignition switch key. That lets you get to this lower bolt, and it also lets you get to this upper bolt. So 1 bolt, 2 bolt, 3 bolts, then you can get to the airbox. Then you need a Phillips screwdriver to pull the screw out that opens the airbox. Then we have access to the airbox. So it's kind of annoying when a person's out on a long weekend of riding or a week-long trip or something, because you don't have quick access to the airbox to at least be able to pull the door off to look at it. Unlike the current DR-Z or the old DR-Z, where all you had to do 1, 2, 3 quick release fasteners, boom, you're in the airbox. So at least you could have really easy access to check the condition of the air filter and determine, okay, do I need to change it or can I wait another day or two? And the next thing I don't like, it also relates to the air filter, is the filter is not a symmetrical design. The old DR-Z was just a basic round filter. This one has some weird shape to it. Pulling the air filter out was an exercise in frustration trying to fit it through the airbox door. So clearly I probably should have rotated it in some different fashion to get it out. So this is what the air filter looks like. You can see it's got a flat spot here, and then it's sort of roundish oval shape there. So the way it orients itself in the airbox is sort of like this into the door. So let's see how much I struggle getting this back in. Now that I know the shape of it, it'll probably be much simpler to get it in through the hole. Yep, it just dropped right into place, having it oriented the correct direction. Yep, so this flat spot is directly at the bottom of the airbox. So I do need to rotate it just a little bit more to get that flat at the bottom. Just kind of jiggle it back and forth to make sure that it's fully seated in place, and I'm kind of rotating it too. Just sort of rocking it back and forth to be sure that it's fully in place. And then we grab this little lever here. And it snaps over the outside of a little catch inside. And there we are, we're good to go.